Hey friends, if Windows speech recognition doesn't work on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So, people have suggested a lot of solutions to this problem, but I will stick to a few of them. First of all, check the microphone, and I'll show you how to do that. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Sound in the right pane. In the right pane, scroll down to input and you will notice the volume for the microphone which is connected. The microphone is also shown here. Now, when you try to speak on the microphone, does it blink? Does it seem that it's rising and falling? If yes, then the microphone itself is picking up the volume. If not, then try changing the microphone, try using a different microphone, or try moving to a quieter location. So, the main purpose is that this should be blinking. If it is not, then the issue is with the microphone. And if it still happens after that, then I think the only solution to this will be an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.